Do you feel stuck, scared, and not sure who to trust about your fibroids? I know exactly how that feels. When I was dealing with fibroids, I thought I had to do everything the doctors told me. I was scared, I was confused, and I didn't know I had other options. Looking back, there are 5 things I wish I had done much earlier. Number 1, I wish I had got a second opinion sooner. Just because one doctor says something doesn't mean you shouldn't ask questions. A second opinion can give you more information and help you make a better decision. Number 2, I wish I had learned more about my body. I spent so much time focusing on the fibroid that I forgot to look at my overall health. Number 3, I wish I had taken my symptoms more seriously. Heavy bleeding, pain, bloating, and tiredness are not things you should ignore. Your body is trying to tell you something. Number 4, I wish I had focused on my daily habits sooner. Small things done every day can make a big difference over time. Number 5, I wish I had found support earlier. Trying to do everything on your own can feel lonely. Having guidance and support can make the journey feel much easier. If you're on your fibroid journey right now, please know this. You have choices. You can ask questions and you deserve to understand all your options. If this video helped you, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss future videos. And please share this video with another woman who is struggling with fibroids. It could help her make a decision she never knew she had. Leave a comment below and tell me, what do you wish you knew sooner about fibroids? I'll see you in the next video.